I know what you're thinking. Paul, you're fat. Why are you talking about how to not be addicted to fast food and not be fat when you're fat? That's because I'm not addicted anymore. I'm not addicted to food anymore. Which is pretty awesome. It's pretty good. Everything's going real smooth. Like, now the real reason why I'm making this video is because it's been so long. It's truly been so long from me eating fast food. And the thing is, I think of the thought. Yeah, that's how to say it. I think of the thought of getting in my truck, going to the drive-thru, and ordering ungodly amounts of fast food. And let's think about that for a second. Being at the drive-thru. Now, when we think of it right now, we think of being sensible. Oh, I just want something. I just want to stuff my face. But what I noticed when I used to eat fast food, I would always over-order. I would literally buy so much food that I cannot possibly eat. I would eat it all, but it's just like I would extend my belly all the way every single time that I would go to a drive-thru. And, I know that if I just order a burger, fry, and a Coke, that I'll be happy with it, that I'll be full. But then what I do is oh no, let me also get 18 jalapeno poppers, a slice of cheesecake, a milkshake, and one of those dollar hamburgers as well, on top of the burger, the fry, and the Coke. And then, of course, I'll watch my videos, right? I watch my videos, a really good video, and I'll eat. And then at the end of it, I'm literally in pain. I'm so uncomfortable that it hurts to I'll be laying down, right? Because now it's time to fucking fall asleep, which is the worst thing that you could possibly do after eating a massive meal. Depending on what you want to do, if you really want to if you want to build lean muscle, but and then on top of that, I almost just spent damn near $30 on one meal. Which, it was fine. It was all right. It was okay when I was working 2 different jobs. And I was literally, at the time, I was making $945 this week. $945 the next week, then $945 the third week, and then $945 the next week, because I was working 16 hours a day. Who cares? It really didn't matter. I was making so much money as a single man, not having any kids, that it really didn't matter. It really didn't matter. Even like looking at it now, it didn't matter because I was making that much money. Then when I switched over jobs and I was working 12 hours a day, I was kind of, it was maybe like $800 this week, $800, and it was all right. Like I was kind of like, still pretty expensive, $30 a meal. But let's say like even like right now, if I went back to working 16 hours a day, I don't want the food. I mean, like I don't want to lie to you guys because I'm almost a master at knowing what will happen with my body. I'm pretty sure that within 5 years from now, I will be a completely different, better version of myself. How, Paul? How are you 300 and, well, actually lost some weight. How are you 345 pounds and you have no cravings for food? How did you do that? Eating ungodly amounts of beef. Okay, let me tell, like, I'm not just like a normal fat person, okay? Like, I eat to the utmost extreme. Like, I became a master at putting down food. I would literally, I mean, this was like when we were deep in the tornado. I would go to a Little Caesars, eat an entire large pizza, and then after that, go to McDonald's, just get a burger, and like, a Coke and some like 10 chicken nuggets. And then I would scarf all of that down. And then after all of that, I would go to Jack in the Box and like get more food of like another burger. I already had a Coke, so I didn't need that. And like some tacos. I don't need to say that again. That is a pizza, fries, burger, a Coke, and then another burger and 2 tacos. Like, and like, it's like there's so many different times it was even worse than that. Like, I can eat so much food, but I'm using it towards my advantage. A lot of these skinny motherfuckers, right? They have like, you can kind of like see their abs. You know what's crazy, right? I joined this new gym and people, they have abs, bro. I've like never seen that before. It's like fucking weird. Of like these motherfuckers, like they're a little bit like, I haven't seen like a 6 foot tall, like 6'2" person like with abs, but like a lot of these short guys, they have like defined abs. I'm not talking about like, you can like, they have abs, but it's like covered in like a thin coat of fat, kind of, but you can see their abs and they look good and everything like that. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking like every once in a while I'll see like these people, they're like shorter than me, but they're so defined. They have like, wide shoulders, kind of nice biceps, but like their abs are like defined. And I'm like, I'm not, jealousy is the wrong word. I'm like inspired by that. Like, and people like that, they have a problem putting down like 3 cups of beef, 3 cups of cooked beef. I'm like, buddy, like, so, I mean, of course, like, only time will tell. But, I mean, I would definitely allow you to join me on this journey. Just keep watching. Keep watching every single video. Watch it all the way to the end. Like, I mean, the place that I'm going, I think is going to be pretty amazing. I eat so much beef, and it's like really, really good, and I love it. And I have how you cure your addiction towards fast food is simply eating a lot of beef. But with that said, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.